Have you ever wondered how powerful your mind can be? Ever thought about how your inner conversations can guide you towards success? In this video, we will explore the 21-day challenge to reprogram your mind for success. Now think about those private conversations you have with yourself, the ceaseless internal dialogue humming in your mind. This is self-talk, your mind's personal narrative, and it profoundly influences how you perceive the world. From the moment you wake till the moment you drift off to sleep, self-talk is your faithful companion. It whispers words of encouragement during hard fuels your ambition, and can even turn into your strictest. However, the tone and content of this self-talk are vitally important. Negative self-talk can be a debilitating obstacle, a barrier between you and your objectives. It can muddle your judgment, suppress your spirit, and push you into a whirlpool of self-doubt. Conversely, positive self-talk, words of affirmation and encouragement, can be a potent catalyst for change. It can lift your spirits, empower confidence, and ignite a spark of motivation. Positive self-talk is like a mirror that reflects the finest version of yourself. It nudges you to face challenges, learn from failures, and persist when the going gets tough. It can metamorphose your mindset, turning hindrances into opportunities, fears into bravery, and dreams into reality. Harnessing the power of your mind through positive self-talk is the stepping stone to personal success. So let's dive deeper into this journey, learning ways to reprogram your mind and set yourself on the path to success. Let's transform your life in just 21 days. Does that excite you? Welcome aboard the 21-Day Challenge, a quest curated to reconfigure your mind for triumph. Isn't about instant solutions or sudden miracles, it's about steady daily endeavors to transform your thought cycles, to sculpt your mindset into one that naturally magnetizes success. Curious about the 21 days duration? Research indicates it takes roughly 3 weeks to forge a new habit. Thus, for the impending 3 weeks, we'll collaborate to swap those self-destructive thoughts with empowering ones, fabricating a mental milieu where success is not only a potential but a certainty. The challenge is straightforward, yet deep. It's about exploring self, about recognizing the might of your mind, and about utilizing that might to carve your fate. It's about your self-dialogue, and how those words can revolutionize your life. So, are you prepared to move out of your comfort circle, to test your limits and to your true capabilities? Embark on this 21-day voyage to unlatch the gateway to your individual success. Ready for the challenge? Here's what to expect in the first week. The first 7 days of the 21-day challenge are all about laying the groundwork for the transformation to come. Each day, you'll engage in a specific task that is designed to help rewire your thinking and prime your mind for success. Day 1 is the day of recognition. Recognize the power of your mind and the influence it has on your reality. Understand that your thoughts shape your world, and that by controlling your thoughts, you can shape your world to be more in line with your dreams and aspirations. Day 2 is the day of reflection. Reflect on your current thought patterns. What are the stories you tell yourself? Are they positive, constructive narratives, or are they rooted in negativity and doubt? This is your chance to become aware of your thought habits and identify areas for improvement. On day 3, you'll take the first step towards change with the declaration. Declare your intent to change your thought patterns. This is your commitment to yourself, and the first step towards taking control of your mind. Day 4 is a day of affirmation. Create positive affirmations that counteract your negative thought patterns. These affirmations will serve as your new narrative, guiding your thoughts towards success. On day 5, you'll start practicing visualization. Visualize your success, not as a distant dream, but as a present reality. See yourself achieving your goals and feel the emotions associated with that success. Day 6 is the day of action. Put your new thought patterns into action. Start making choices and decisions that align with your new mindset. Remember, success is not just about thinking differently, but also acting differently. Finally, on day 7, you'll engage in evaluation. Reflect on the week gone by. How have your thoughts changed? How have those changes impacted your actions and your reality? This is a chance to see the progress you've made and prepare for the journey ahead. Persevere through the first week, and you're well on your way to success. 1 week down, 2 more to go. Ready to discover what the second week has in store for you. As we delve into the second week, you'll find that the tasks ahead build upon the groundwork laid in the first 7 days. The first day of week 2 is all about reflection. Take some time to assess the progress you've made. Reflect on your thoughts, actions, and reactions. This is not about judgment, but understanding. Day 9 introduces the concept of thought substitution. This is where you consciously replace negative thoughts with positive ones. It might seem simple, but it's a powerful tool in reshaping your mindset. On day 10, it's time to practice gratitude. Make a list of things you're thankful for. By focusing on the positives, you'll start to notice them more, even in unexpected places. Day 11's task is to visualize success. Picture yourself achieving your goals. This isn't just daydreaming, it's a proven technique that can significantly boost your motivation and confidence. Day 12 is about setting SMART goals. These are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This approach ensures your goals are clear, realistic, and within reach. On day 13, we focus on affirmations. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, reinforcing your belief in your capabilities and worth. Finally, day 14 is a day of rest. Use this day to relax and reflect on your journey so far. This isn't a pause, but an essential part of the process, allowing your mind to consolidate the changes you've made. Congratulations on completing 2 weeks of the challenge. You're now closer to your goal than you might think. The final stretch is here, ready to conquer the last leg of this transformative journey. As we embark on the final week of our 21-day challenge, it's time to solidify the progress we've made and prepare to unleash our newly minted mindset on the world. The tasks for the final 7 days are designed to reinforce the positive self-talk and mindset developed over the past 2 weeks. Day 15 is all about gratitude. Spend this day consciously acknowledging all the things you are thankful for. This practice aligns your mind with positivity and abundance, making it easier to maintain the optimistic mindset we've been cultivating. Days 16 and 17, it's time to visualize. Visualization is a powerful tool used by the world's most successful people. Imagine your goals as if they've already been achieved. Feel the joy, the pride, the exhilaration. This emotional connection can serve as potent motivation, propelling you towards your dreams. On day 18, we challenge you to celebrate your progress. It's important to recognize how far you've come, no matter how small the steps may seem. This fuels your self-confidence and validates the effort you've put in. Days 19 and 20 are about reinforcing your positive affirmations. Repeat them, believe in them, live them. They are not just words, but the blueprint of your future. Finally, on day 21, reflect on the journey you've embarked on. Acknowledge the changes in your mindset, your increased positivity, and your newfound ability to shape your reality with your thoughts. You've made it through the 21-day challenge. Now, it's time to reap the rewards of your hard work. Impressed by the transformation? Ready to embark on your own 21-day journey? Let's revisit the significance of this challenge. For 3 weeks, you'll engage in a powerful, transformative journey of self-discovery and growth. You'll harness the might of positive self-talk, reprogramming your mind for success. This isn't just about achieving your goals, it's about fundamentally altering your mindset, shifting your perspective to one that is proactive, optimistic, and success-oriented. It's about replacing negative chatter with empowering, affirming dialogue. Imagine the potential of this transformation. Picture the person you could become after 21 days of this challenge. This isn't a mere thought experiment, it's a reality waiting to unfold. So what are you waiting for? Embrace this challenge, experience the power of positive self-talk. Dare to step into a brighter, more prosperous future. Subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. Begin your 21-day challenge today and unlock the door to your personal success.